Hope you enjoy 14 ways to stay happy and healthy on your Disney college program. Hi everyone, I'm back and it's been kind of a while. I've been working on another project, but I'm done with that project now and I can focus more on YouTube, which is really exciting. I'm excited to do it.